When exploring the wilderness, it's essential to be aware of plants that can cause irritation, allergic reactions, or other health issues. Here are 10 plants to avoid while in the wilderness. Poison ivy. Recognizable by its 3-leaf clusters, poison ivy can cause severe skin irritation and itching due to its urushiol oil. Poison oak. Similar to poison ivy, poison oak also contains urushiol oil and causes skin rashes, blisters, and itching upon contact. Poison sumac. Found in wetlands and swampy areas, poison sumac can cause a more severe allergic reaction than poison ivy or oak, leading to blistering and intense itching. Stinging nettle. Touching stinging nettle can result in a painful stinging sensation and skin irritation due to its tiny hairs containing histamines and formic acid. Giant hogweed. This invasive plant can cause severe skin burns and blisters upon contact, leading to photosensitivity and long-lasting scars. Pokeberry. The berries and roots of pokeberry are toxic if ingested, causing gastrointestinal distress, vomiting, and diarrhea. Avoid touching the plant as well. White snake root. Ingesting white snake root can lead to trematol poisoning in humans and animals, causing symptoms like nausea, vomiting, weakness, and even death in severe cases. Jimson weed. All parts of the Jimson weed plant are toxic if ingested, causing hallucinations, confusion, rapid heartbeat, and potentially fatal poisoning. Hemlock. Hemlock contains potent toxins including conin and other alkaloids which can cause respiratory failure and death if ingested. Water. Hemlock, often mistaken for edible plants like wild carrots, water hemlock contains cicutoxin, a highly toxic compound that can cause seizures, respiratory failure, and death. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these plants and exercise caution while hiking or camping in the wilderness to avoid accidental exposure or ingestion. If you suspect contact with a toxic plant or experience symptoms after exposure, seek medical attention immediately.